What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to share my recent haul with you and maybe some tips and tricks on where I got them and how to save some cash on some models. These were all from a couple different sellers on Facebook auctions, live auctions. All of these were purchased at one time from one person, as well as those from another person, and these from another person, and all of them for great prices, great deals. You know, a lot of times they'll be open or started, or like in the instance of this one, it's been opened and has some parts aren't complete, the decals weren't correct, weren't the right ones for the kit. And like this one, this Harvick, that we'll get into that stuff in a second here, was a, pardon the one-handed cameraman. Let's open. Nope, hold on. Wobbly camera. Going on a ride. This one was not only started, but it's got, yeah, I don't know, whatever. But since it was, you know, kind of a whatever kit, he threw in some extras, threw in this cool Harvick figurine and a bag of, you know, cool extra parts, stuff that I will use. Like this one, the wheels came with that kit for a set price. You know, the auctions will start at, they'll start at a, you know, for example, a $10 starting bid, $12 starting bid, and go from there. People will bid on them, and a lot of times people just don't want them. Like this Snap Tight kit I got for like 12 bucks. You know, same with this, both of these actually, they were like $10 to $15 a piece, something like that. And these were 2 for 20, you know, just because nobody wanted them. But they're all there. Everything's mostly complete. Sometimes they're open, but the auctioneers will tell you that they're open. They'll take them out, look at them part by part. So I'm going to go ahead and put some pages up here that you're welcome to go to check out. Join the groups, go join the auctions, and get yourself good deals.